So part three of today's analysis and trading, we got some catch up to do with a loss on gold, getting into the position too late, and then trying to be clever in adding to the position, but on a good day that would have worked out nicely, and but unfortunately didn't. So we're down 0.5% on the day. We're now actually encroaching on the hours where I choose not to trade. But nevertheless, we're coming up to the last hour of it. And for the sake of this setup, what we've been waiting for all day, if we can't just get a short into the lows of the day. Anyway, in the prior video, we talked about how we were trying to sell high in dollar yen, dollar CAD, buy low, and cable. Um, dollar yen has broken certainly this trend line here. And we got 3 minutes to go for this engulfment candle to give us the signal to go short. Now we've got this support here. Figuring you can actually probably just take a sell in it. We've got the EMA's crossing and our target is 61.8. We're also breaking the lower boundary of the trend. If we were to marry up, nice, we're taking out the support, marry up here and here and right into that low there. We're breaking that as well. Got support eyed at 131.26 as being that low here. So I want to go short. Let's put one pullback. So we've been triggered short on the pullback at potential resistance, trapped volume, breakout traders trying to take this up all day long, looking for a move lower. And we want to close below the open to play in with the first red day thesis. So we need a close below yesterday's close, which was about 131, figure 139.96. So just mark that. Right, we've got in too premature on that. That's been respected as support. Very strong correction, breaking through that. What was anticipated to be resistance, it was old support. So that hasn't worked out, and we are relying on this area over here to now act as support, protecting our stop loss. So depending on this area here as a resistance area. One might be tempted to move the stop above the highs of the day for a total of a 1% loss in the account, around thereabouts. But that's not how we work. We'll let the stop play out and continue to assess for an opportunity below these lows of the day. So we need a break of this structure. So we'll set that alarm. Right, just a quick update then. So this area of resistance was respected, and a subsequent sell-off into pierce the presumed support as eyed, and we are moving back in. We've got this M formation, albeit on an M on a 5-minute chart, so it's less relevant. We've got choppy price action here. We are well into the day, and explosive moves are less likely. In terms of a catalyst, we've got Fed's Waller speaking um, in a couple of hours' time. So we're lacking. So we're lacking a catalyst at the moment. Well, we've got some Russian noise coming through. Could that ignite a risk-off feel? Now, in terms of that, the yen used to be regarded as a safe haven. Not so much now, um, with monetary policy controls um, being amended. Um, the dollar is regarded more so as a safe haven during the Ukraine crisis, or it has been to date at least. It could be something to kickstart a bit of volatility, which according to our technicals, would be favourable in this scenario. Anyway, we want a break of 131.10, 131 to lock in these highs for the day. Now, in fact, I'm just going to post this video. I don't know if it would be beneficial for the trading community. There are still opportunities there to get involved. Um, it's not trading advice, of course, it's just my analysis and what I'm doing. Might be of interest to see it sooner than down here. Again, not trading advice, just showing what I'm doing, and I'll produce another video subsequent to see how we get on.